If you've ever wondered how ethical hackers uncover vulnerabilities, test security, or investigate cybercrimes, it all starts here, with Kali Linux. Kali Linux isn't just another Linux distro, it's a Swiss Army knife for cybersecurity, packed with over 600 tools from scanning networks to cracking passwords, from hacking Wi-Fi to analyzing malware. In this video I'm giving you a guided tour of Kali Linux category by category, showing what the major tools do, when to use them, and how to run them. Think of this as your ultimate hacking tools map. Legally, of course. Let's kick things off with information gathering. Before an ethical hacker launches any attack, they start by collecting information. This phase is called reconnaissance, or information gathering. The heavy hitter here is Nmap, the network mapper. Use it to find devices, open ports, and running services. Try a command like to get started. Want to know who owns a domain? Whois is your friend? It pulls up all the registration details. For deeper digging, there's Recon, an automated recon framework, kinda like Nmap on steroids. And if you want to see relationships between people, companies, and domains, Maltego gives you those slick visual graphs. Without good recon, your pen test is like walking into a maze blindfolded. Now, onto vulnerability analysis. Once you know your targets, the next step is finding weaknesses. Nikto scans web servers for outdated software and dangerous misconfigurations. Just run and watch it go to work. OpenVS is the go-to for a full vulnerability assessment, and for a more professional touch, Nessus is the standard in the industry. These tools show you where the walls are weakest before you try to break through. Next up, web application analysis. Websites are one of the most common attack surfaces. Burp Suite is the king here. It lets you intercept and modify web traffic, probing for vulnerabilities on login pages and forms. If you want an open-source alternative, check out OWASP Zap for automated scanning. For something fast and command-line friendly, there's Skipfish. Password attacks are a classic. Weak passwords are still one of the easiest ways in. John the Ripper cracks password hashes offline. Hydra brute forces passwords online, SSH, FTP, HTTP, you name it. Try for a test run. If you've got a good GPU, Hashcat is lightning fast for cracking hashes. But remember, only test systems you're allowed to. Wireless attacks? Wi-Fi isn't safe just because there's a password. Aircrack-ing is your go-to for capturing WPA handshakes and cracking them. Kismet helps you map out wireless networks, and Wi-Fi can automate the whole Wi-Fi attack process. Now, exploitation. This is where things get spicy. Metasploit is a massive database of exploits and payloads. Beef targets browser vulnerabilities, SQLmap hunts for SQL injection flaws in websites. Sometimes you don't break in, you just listen. That's where sniffing and spoofing comes in. Wireshark lets you capture and analyze network packets. Ettercap is for man-in-the-middle attacks, and dsniff pulls out passwords from traffic. After breaking in, post-exploitation helps you stay in. Tools like MeterPreter give you remote shells, file transfer, even screenshot capture. Empire is for advanced post-exploitation tasks. But maybe you're not attacking, you're investigating. That's forensics. Autopsy recovers deleted files and examines digital evidence. Volatility analyzes memory dumps, and Binwalk digs into firmware images. For malware, you need reverse engineering. Ghidra is a full suite for taking programs apart. Radar 2 offers lightweight binary analysis, and AppTool is just for Android apps. And finally, reporting. A pen test isn't done until you deliver the report. Stratus helps you organize and present your findings. Faraday is a collaborative platform for sharing everything with your team or client. And that's your complete guided tour of the most important tools in Kali Linux. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always get permission, test ethically, and keep learning. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity deep dives, and drop a comment if there's a tool you want me to break down next.